Hello, this is Steve Benmor. I'm a family law lawyer in Toronto, and I'm here with my wife, Samantha.
Hi.
And so in the last few years, I've been faced with a lot of questions in divorce cases that involved real estate. And we're going to talk about one of those cases tonight. But what I wanted to share with you is how lovely it's been for me to be able to speed dial Samantha or to come home at the end of the day and ask her, my in-house family law real estate specialist, how to deal with particular situations. So I'm going to jump right into the first one. We had a recent case where a judge ordered my client and his spouse to sell their matrimonial home. And one of the terms of the sale was for the wife to give my client the names of 3 realtors to choose from in which to list and sell the home. And so immediately my client says, how do I know what to ask and what to look for in a real estate agent? And so fortunately for me, I referred him to Samantha, who was able to help him. Why don't you tell us how?
So when the client called me, I gave him a run through as to how a meeting sort of looks, that the agent will come in, they'll take a look at the house. I also had forwarded him 10 questions to ask a realtor while they're interviewing, and I think that gave him a lot of comfort. He went into interviews knowing what to ask, and he also saw my answers to them, just so that he would sort of know what to look for. I was not representing him. I was just there to help. And I think that was one level of, like I said, comfort for him.
And I'll tell you, it was tremendous value to him, even though obviously there was no benefit to you, but for him there was tremendous benefit because, you know, he really did not know what to look for and what to ask for. And, you know, a lot of people going through divorce feel very disempowered or insecure, and you gave him that little extra boost of security, and it really helped him be able to go into the process of interviewing real estate agents and choosing the right one, or at least what he thought to be the right one for his situation. And I'll have to say, you know, in the course of my years of work, I've had to refer clients to other lawyers, whether it's tax lawyers or real estate lawyers or trust lawyers, and clients often really don't know what questions to ask. So it was really helpful for you to give them those tips and the questions, the typical questions to ask. So as this case went forward, he chose one of those agents. That agent got involved, and lo and behold, the wife was really not interested in selling the house. She wanted to buy the house herself. And as a result of that, she was dragging her legs and made it clear to the real estate agent that even if he got the listing and he went ahead and listed the property, that she would be the one trying her best to get the property and to buy the property herself, to the extent that she even was trying to negotiate.